Welcome back to Conversion Conversations, where today I am doing an unboxing of the last Beast Wars Masterpiece figure I received, but the next one that I'll be reviewing before Megatron. We have in front of us MP43 Dinobot. And I mean, already, right, it's that classic Masterpiece packaging. It looks awesome. I love the beast eye behind the packaging. He looks great on the box. There's all sorts of stuff they're showing he can do. It looks like he comes with a cool stand, helps the Dino mode balance. He comes with a copy of the Golden Disc, which I really, really like. He's got his Dino Saber, his Cyber Shield. He's got his rotating action. He's got multiple faces. This is a big box. This probably is the figure I was most excited about this year, and I am going to go ahead and open them right up. Ooh. Oh yeah, and he's a big boy. He's actually bigger than I was expecting. Like, this seems like he's about the same size as Megatron. They couldn't even fit him like with his tail on. So we got his box. We've got his packaging. Here it looks like we've got our golden disc, which looks lovely. It actually feels like that's some like decent plastic behind that thing. Here we've got his eye beams, which is pretty sweet that they included that, so you can destroy your golden disc if you want. A little note about his tail articulation. We've got his instructions, which are enormous. Again, the same packaging art and all sorts of detailed instructions on this thing that I'm going to put away for now. Let's go ahead and get this guy out of his little plastic case. And start. So even his like stand is huge. Ugh, as I try and not bump with the camera for the billionth time. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So the stand is actually two parts that look like they're molded separately, which is interesting instead of having them like repeat, that you can clip in like that. Yeah, this thing is robust. Which has me excited. I know Megatron didn't come with a stand, which sucked. He just came with a stand adapter, but I'm hoping Black Widow comes with her own stand. Oh yeah, that's got... That feels good. That feels really good. Can lock it in like that. Set that on top like that. Alright, enough delaying. Let's get to the dinosaur. Curse you, tape. Where is it? Ah, there it is. One more. Two more. Just close that up and set to the side for now. See if we can get our raptor boy all balanced. Okay, so the brown side is up, and it looks like that peg there. Does it peg back there? Interesting. I do see where it... Okay, I'm gonna... Let's get him standing first. And, like, look at this again. Like, they're... Look at that head. That's ridiculous. He just looks awesome. He definitely needs his tail to counterbalance him out. See if I can get it up. Maybe get his arms out of the way. Fit it up in that slot. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I think he needs his stand. We'll set him up all temporary for now. But that is Dinobot, and he looks awesome. Oh, his tongue even articulates. I mean, I know, right, these Beast Wars figures have to compromise a little bit due to the laws of physics. I get that. You know, that's a mess that we can hide as best we can. But look at that dinosaur. Look at that raptor. He can do all his little Dinobot speeches that I love that he gives. Oh, he looks awesome. All right, that's it for this one. Just awesome. And then Saturday I'll be reviewing him. All right, have a great day, everyone. See ya.